Welcome back to another travel vlog.
No,
or this is going to be food vlog, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, we just finished going to church and the feast, and right now we're on our way to
Shawarma Gourmet because I really miss their foods there, guys. And I've seen in their Facebook page that they have a new foods on their menu. So yeah.
Right, guys, we're now here at Shawarma Gourmet, guys, our favorite Lebanese restaurant here in Cebu City.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for a authentic Lebanese foods, guys, they have it here.
Yes.
So the best shawarma, baby.
Shawarma and pizza. Yes, guys. So we're going to try their new foods on their menu, guys.
Yeah.
So I'm so excited because I've seen on their Facebook page it's very yummy.
Yeah, very mouth-watering, guys. So let's check it out, guys. By the way, guys, joining us in today's food vlog is my mother, Mom. So this is her first time here, guys, in Shawarma Gourmet. So
Hello, interview them. Actually, guys, we've already been here before.
But we just decided to come back here after going to church because we really love the foods here, guys.
And we want Tita Cora to try their foods because it's really highly recommended.
Yeah, and it's her first time here, guys. So that should be exciting.
Yeah. And cheese sambousek.
This, guys, looks so yummy.
Hummus. This is the hummus, guys, and some salad.
This is the new falafel pizza.
Falafel?
Falafel. This is a cheese and za'atar mix. We call it cocktail.
Okay.
We used to have half cheese, half za'atar, but this tastes different.
This is mixed.
This is mixed.
Yeah.
Lamb and tropicale.
Tropicale, the salad.
Just salad, yes, with mango and cheese.
Wow, look at all of these foods, guys.
Our food is finally here. Look at this, guys. Our table is full. And we have here their new menu, guys. This is the falafel pizza. They also have their premium wraps. This is the chicken tawuk. They have chicken tawuk and kebab wrap. And of course, my favorite, cheese sambousek. Yay! And they have some dips, guys, here. So yeah. Let's eat, guys! I'm gonna try first the beef kebab. So
This one is the best.
It's really well mixed, and everything that's inside just really tastes yummy, guys.
Can we finish all of it?
I don't know, I'm not sure.
So this will be a mukbang vlog, guys. Tita, what can you say about the cheese? Mami?
Delicious. Taste good. Delicious.
Mami, I need this. Beef? This is beef?
Chicken.
Chicken?
We have beef also.
This one. And this is the spinach, right?
The triangle one, yes.
Yeah.
These are not yet on the menu, going to be introduced soon.
Okay.
Haven't you tried this one?
Not yet, yeah.
Not yet.
please write your name on a piece of paper. After that, you're gonna forget your name.
Okay. Wow, this is yummy.
This is
Yeah, the chicken
chicken
sambousek.
kipit.
You should try this one as well. I really loved it. And also this one, the chicken one. Yeah.
This is so much yummy guys. Try na dito. Cannot yan na? Gani, yummy. Gani. Favorite ko din.
I ate this all.
So ayun ito na. Kanin ma. Kanin.
Wow. This one guys is their chicken pizza. There's some fries on top.
And
chicken and some spices. I like the dough guys, soft.
Very soft. And all the spices and the ingredients just mixes so well, guys. It's really yummy, delicious. All I can say is delicious.
So if you guys are planning to go to Lebanon to try their foods, why not come here?
Yeah.
So they're located here at Escario Central Mall, guys. Very accessible.
Call it beef kebab, guys. And as a person who loves beef, I really love this one.
So yummy, guys. Let's try their salad, guys. Actually, they have 4 kinds of salad. So we'll try their tropical and their fattoush.
sambousek. This is sambousek. بس هذه اللبنانية. مثل المثلثات.
Tell you guys, this is one of the best shawarma that I've ever tasted, guys. The beef kebab. You must try this one as well if you come here. Shawarma Gourmet.
Look, guys.
I'm coming to you, Mama.
Wow, guys, look at the presentation here, guys. It's really, really yummy looking, and let's try it. This is their very new pizza, guys. It's called falafel pizza. So yeah. So yummy, guys. For me, it's so yummy. For Daisy, it's weird, but for me, it's 100% yummy. You must try this one.
America, they have to make it a different.
Wow, so that's what's inside the spinach. Let's taste it. Wait, deep sana to. Dip it here. It's good.
I also like the spinach. I mean,
It's like a dough of people.
English yarn. Ano daw?
Nice.
This is the beef, I think.
No, chicken tawuk.
Chicken tao.
Alright guys, update. So here's our table. There's still some foods guys because we're already full. And yeah, I think we cannot finish it. So
We're already full, guys. Look at the tummy, guys. They're
let's
big
just
already.
take this out guys
Yeah.
so that we can have this as our dinner.
Yeah, at home.
Yeah.
And overall, guys, as always, it's very yummy here. That's the reason why we came back here, because we really love their foods here, guys.
Yeah.
It's very yummy, especially the pizza, the new pizza.
It's
This
the
one, guys,
falafel.
the falafel. They call it the falafel pizza. It's very
You should
yummy.
try their new pizza here and also their new wraps, shawarma wraps.
Shawarma
guys.
wraps.
My personal favorite, still the cheese
Cheesy.
sambousek.
Yeah, cheese sambousek.
Still the cheese sambousek.
And mine is this one.
What's
I love
that?
this one. I think this is the
Chorizo.
chorizo or the beef.
Yeah. Yeah.
beef
And,
kebab. Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. Ikaw, tita, what's your favorite?
Good
All of
food.
this stuff.
Yeah.
Very delicious and
Yummy.
Yes,
It's her
good.
first time. It's her first time here in Shawarma Gourmet, guys.
Yeah.
And guess what? She loved it.
thank you, Daisy, for bringing me here.
Oh, thank you, chef, for
you also,
preparing
chef.
all the foods.
Preparing
My
food.
pleasure, always.
Yeah.
At your service.
Yay! If you're looking for a new taste,
Yeah.
something different,
Around Cebu City.
yeah, you
Yeah.
should visit here in Shawarma Gourmet and try their foods, guys.
Yeah, they're just located here at Escario Central Mall, guys, here in Cebu. So
Yeah.
it's very near, guys,
Yeah.
the city. And
They are open daily from 10 a.m. to 12 midnight.
yeah, so better check this restaurant out, guys, because their food is very yummy.
So I will end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you've already subscribed, please hit the notification down below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is @IamDaisy and my Facebook page is Daisy.
And also on TikTok, guys, you should
Yeah.
follow us because there's lots of, romantic videos there.
Anyways,
Relationship
guys, you
videos.
should also check out Shawarma Gourmet's Instagram and Facebook, guys, so that you'll be updated for their promos.
Yeah,
Yes,
and also
guys.
their new foods. If there are new foods or updated foods here at Shawarma Gourmet, you can also check that one out on their Facebook page and on their Instagram account, guys.
So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.